Yo, what is going on? So this is how to use Multiview and Fubo TV. So the first step is to ensure compatibility. Multiview is currently available on Apple TV, Fire TV, and Android TV devices. If you're using a different device, you may not have access to this feature. Access Multiview from the Fubo TV menu. Select a second channel, swipe left or right to highlight a second channel, and click on the touchpad to select it. You can add up to 3 more channels in this manner. Customize your view, swipe down on the remote trackpad to view additional channels. You can also swipe left or right to highlight an additional channel and click the touchpad to select it. Adjust audio. If you're watching multiple channels with audio, swipe up, down or left, right to highlight the channel you'd like to hear from audio. A small volume icon will appear in the bottom left of the channel playing audio. Highlight and select one of the smaller channels to swap it to the larger window. Press the menu button on your remote while viewing a channel full screen to return to Multiview. To fully exit Multiview, press the menu and select the exit Multiview. You will be taken to the full screen view of the channel that was highlighted when exiting Multiview. And that's basically everything to know.